Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G42. Firstly, just open Play Store on both devices. Then install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, tap on Open. In order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then select receive on your Motorola and send on an Android. Oh, so sorry, that was a misclick. Continue, allow. After I will choose send on my Android, I can click on all of those dots and tap on send. This way you can select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I'll go into Photos, click on only one, tap on send and click on got it. Now on Motorola, choose no thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Motorola, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But we can always input this key over here as well. And tap on Receive button. As you can see now, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!